Look into my eyes and tell me what is different. I finally got my ring light. Okay, first of all, I know I'm wearing a wig and it's just like 9:51 p.m. but my hair is messed up and I can't come out like that. So yeah. Hello everybody, my name is Debbie, aka Deborah. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. So guys, for today's video, for those people who have been watching my video for a very long time, you should know that there's something different about my video today. I'm coming closer for you to notice. Look into my eyes and tell me what is different. Guys, I finally got my ring light. Oh my god. Okay, I know I already unboxed it. I did a video. I'm going to put it right here. So I unboxed it because I was super excited. And this ring light, oh my goodness, bro. Okay, I'm just going to show you this step by step on how it was brought to me. So basically, yeah, this was how it came. It's really big, right? It came in this big box. Okay, let me pin my mic. Gosh, I hope you'll be able to hear me, guys. I've been trying to arrange this mic, but it's not just. I hope you can hear me. So for those who have watched my video to the end, you would have noticed that I was talking about this year getting my gadgets. I have my mic, now I've gotten my ring light. So the next thing I need is a tripod stand. So as I was saying, it came in this big box, right? Okay, so in this box, I brought out the tripod stand, like the leg was in this box, so I brought it out. And then I went to the ring light itself. So this is the name of the place where my dad bought it. So guys, this is guys, this is it. Look at that, bro. I'm gonna read it out to y'all. Okay, so this is like 18 inches ring light. It's 18 inches long, bro. And okay, LED soft ring light, of course. It has free spin, soft light. I'm going to show you what this soft light and all this is about. What is stepless dimming and non-split design. In this carton, in this box right here, when you open it, I opened this, right? This is the nylon for the tripod stand, like the legs, and this is for the ring lights, to cover the ring light thingy. So when you open it, you see this bag in it, this big bag. So inside this bag was the tripod stand. Why am I saying tripod stand? Inside this bag was ring light. So in this bag, there's a little zip. See the zip right here. So when you open the zip, what do you see? Oh, this is where the remote was. I have the remote was inside here. I brought it out. There's a battery here, and as well as a spare battery. But I feel like this is spoiled because there's something in it. So yeah. Okay, so it has a remote, right? The remote, this is off, this is on. The lights, if you want it to be bright. Oh my god, I'm going to show you guys all this, so just calm down. And in there, I have 3 holders. 3. 1, 2, 3. I have one. I'm using one to hold my phone right now. And there's 2. This one is for a smaller phone. You're right, this is for a smaller phone. You can see the difference. And this is for like a bigger phone. And then the other one. Oh, guys! I'm happy. Okay, now so I've done the unboxing of that. Yeah. Let's go into the main deal of this video. Now, this is my video with my ring light. Let me off it for you to see. This is basically my video without ring light and my normal light, my normal LED light, my normal room light. But this is my video with my ring light, guys. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so this is the brightest of the bright light, like the white light is the brightest, right? Let's step down, step down, step down, step down, step, 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 step. Now this is the lowest of my white light. This is the lowest, but you can still see me though. Like, you can still see my face, bro. This is the lowest. Guys, I wasn't supposed to press that down, but anyways, let's continue. So this is the lowest of my white light. Now let's go into, okay, this is the highest of the white light now. So let's go into warm light. Bro, look at that. My face literally just turned color. Hello. I'm coming. Okay guys, so now let's increase. Okay, this is the highest of my warm lights. This is the lowest of the warm lights. Then we have the disco light. And then we have the I love this about the light. Yes. Oh my goodness. So that is all for my unboxing. This beautiful box. I can actually put the three of them at once. Oh my god. Okay. So that is all for my unboxing. Yes, that's all for my unboxing. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and yes, comment. Nobody used to comment. No, people actually comment. I have like 2 favorite people that comment all the time. But thank you very much to those 2 people. Bye.